Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Cici Wonderplace. Today I am going to show you my makeup routine.
We haven't talked all morning. Bang my head against the wall. I'm scared I'm falling.
First guys, you need to use the primer. Put this one over here. What do I use here? This? Like this. Ouch. To my neck. Get my hair. Okay. So next, this one. It is Hello Hubby. For the foundation, we'll use foundation. Oh, here. I don't even know where to put this. Where do we put this? Here? Okay. So I don't know why I'm doing it. I don't know where it's supposed to be. I don't look like I'm real. Ain't no laughing. Hot boy. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, my hair. That's why I can't concentrate. Oh, I forgot to show you this one. Okay, let's open it again. Okay, I'm done. So I'm done. Then next I put the blush on. This is my blush on. Then you open it. Okay. Oh well, it's a little here. Okay, I'm gonna sit down with this. And then this. This is how I do it. I look weird. Okay, I don't think it's weird. I mean, if you don't, I look weird. Okay, no, not this one. This one. Oh, I mean, I forgot to show you, it's two. I'm gonna use this. It's not a lipstick, but it's an let's just go eyebrows. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay. So I'm not going to break it. Okay. So last is my Chanel lipstick. Gold for Chanel. Okay. Please don't care about my teeth. Okay, I can't hear it clearly. Okay, that's it. It says punch bowl. I think it's the same color. Oh, okay. I'm just mixing them together. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Okay, bye guys. In my next video.